So the monthly performance data is just in. Now, remember, this is for pension portfolios. So we're not trying to get 500% returns in a short space of time. So up to the end of 30th of April, 2026, we're looking at 339% return, 40.71% annualized. This is on the model of models where we take all the models and then we cherry pick the models out of that. 75% positive month, 39 out of 52 months, basically. Okay. Flagship snapshot is the model of models. Like I said, the best year was actually last year, was phenomenal because it was 61% up. The worst year so far has been this year, but that's only because we were only 4 months into it and it's only up 11% in 4 months. But the maximum drawdown was reached last month in March, or the month before, 9% drawdown. That's the worst it's ever drawn down, which is pretty defensive. And that's the point. You see, you'll get a lot of people talking like, oh, my stock is up 500% because they're in some high risk and a blow your pension up kind of stock pick, which is the wrong way of looking at things. Instead, what we want is portfolios which are defensive. Well, one of our defensive portfolios, which has had a maximum drawdown of that 9.11%, is annualized return of just 15%, which I can live with. That doubles your money in 5 years, for instance. And that's a defensive portfolio, low drawdowns. A lot of people want that in their pensions, of course, and in their ISAs. And another way to defend is to have more cash, of course, to dampen the downside. So in this, I'm not showing the individual stock holdings. I might allude to some of that. If you're a client, you'll have that data. If you want to become a client, have a look at alpeshpatel.com. But you can see best and worst so that you know it's not up every month and so on, because that's what a realistic professional fund looks like. Okay. The full client update for last month is going live now for our clients, and they can copy the models, or more usually what happens is they make a bespoke version by cherry picking those as well. Okay, so I hope you've liked that bit of a teaser into how things are from performance, but just so you understand the downside, be very, very worried if people don't talk about drawdowns and volatility and portfolio correlations, because it means they're amateurs and they're going to absolutely destroy themselves very, very quickly because they're gambling. Okay, and you don't want to do that with your pension. Thank you.